In Gita, it has been said that you should work. Don't think about its result. God is there to give you the result. And there is a story in your book, and the story is the Monkey King, which shows the importance of work. Actually, this is a Jatak tale. Gautam Buddha preached his followers the values of life. He narrated the stories of his former life as bird, animal, and man. These are known as Jatak tales. The main character in each story is Buddha in his previous births. Today we are reading one of the Jatak tales, and the Jatak tales is the Monkey King. Once there was a grove of mangoes in the forest. A monkey king lived there with his troop of monkeys. There was a tall tree just beside a river. In summer, the trees were laden with golden fruits. The Monkey King warned all the monkeys not to allow any fruit fall in the river. It would attract people to this forest. One day, a ripe fruit fell into the river. The flowing water of the river took the mango with it. At last, it reached Banaras. On the bank of the Ganga, Brahmadatta, the king of Banaras, was taking a bath in the river. Some fishermen were catching fish. When they pulled the net, they found a golden fruit in it. They went to the king and presented the fruit to them. The king returned to the palace. He tasted a slice and gave the rest to his queen and ministers. They had never tasted such a delicious fruit in their life. The king wanted to eat the fruit more and more. He decided to search the mango tree. A fleet of boats was arranged. The king sailed up the river with his men. After the journey of many days, they reached the place where the mango tree stood. The Monkey King was informed by a monkey about it. He knew that some strangers had come to invade his beautiful garden. All the monkeys were surrounded by the soldiers. It was a sign of danger. He had to save the life of other monkeys. There was a tree on the other side of the river. He jumped across the river but it was not possible for other monkeys. He thought out a plan to save them. He decided to make a bamboo bridge between the two trees. The Monkey King uprooted a long bamboo. He tied one end of the bamboo to a branch of tree. He tied another end of the bamboo to his feet. He jumped back to the mango tree. He had a mistake in his calculation. The bamboo proved to be something short. He was able to grasp a branch of the tree. The rest of the distance was covered by his body. The Monkey King advised the monkeys to cross the river walking on his back. All the monkeys did so, and now there was no danger for their lives. They had reached the other bank of the river, but one monkey was still here. The Monkey King asked him to cross the river. The last monkey jumped with a great force on his back. The Monkey King's backbone broke and he cried in great pain. King Brahmadatta was watching everything. He saw the monkey who risked his life to save other monkeys. The king ordered his men to take down the Monkey King carefully. The king said to the Monkey King, "You made a bridge of your body for other monkeys. You risked your life and saved their lives." The dying monkey said, "They are my children, and I am their king. They have always loved and trusted me. It is my duty to save their lives." The king told the Monkey King, "You know your responsibility well. I will not harm your monkeys and this mango grove." Listening this, the Monkey King closed his eyes forever. The Monkey King was given a funeral honor of a king.